you want to tell me that you put your hair in a protective style and you don't do anything to it for the next month or two? What are you protecting, sis? In order for your hair to actually flourish and for you to get the results and the growth that you're looking for, you actually have to keep your hair moisturized. If not, you are wasting your time. So today I am going to show you how I keep my hair moisturized while I'm wearing my mini twist. It is very easy, non-complicated process, and it takes no time at all. So if you are interested, keep on watching. But before we get into the good stuff, my name is Nessa and I appreciate you so much for clicking on this video. We talk everything beauty here on this channel, and my goal is to inspire you to be the best version of yourself that you can be inside and out. So if that interests you, subscribe and ring the bell right next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And that's pretty much it for now. So if you're ready, let's get started. One of the two ways that I moisturize my curls in the morning is by using a curl hydrating spray. So I am going to be using the curl hydration spray. This is from Obia Naturals. This is not new to my channel. I recently did a first impressions of the entire line on the channel. I don't know if you guys have seen it. If not, I will place the link for you in the description box and also in the eye up here, so check it out. But I did mention that the spray is not really good as a leave-in, but it is pretty good for refreshing your curls. In this case, we are going to use this so I can moisturize my hair. Now my hair is not looking too bad right now because I did moisturize my hair a couple days ago, but we are going to do this again because we don't want dry hair. So I am going to show you how I use this spray. Keep in mind, you don't have to use this specific one. This is what I have and I think it's been working well for me. But you can use whatever you have in your stash. If you already have a curl refreshing spray that you like or something that you've used before, you can always use this. But this is one of the ways that for me, I find that works to moisturize my hair. I'm giving it a good shake. I don't think it's really necessary, but this is very easy. I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. And then now I am just making sure that all my hair feels moisturized, even the ones that are hiding under, and make sure you have it on your edges as well because this is still hair and you want to make sure that everything is moisturized. The next step is to use some oil. Sometimes, I don't always do it. I do it about twice a week, and I may not always remember, but I do massage my scalp with the oil. I have my little oil blend here. And I'm just going to rub it on my hair just so I can seal in the moisture that I just added to my hair. And that is it. So the second way I moisturize my hair in those mini twists is very simple. In this bottle right here, I have my little mixture of aloe vera mix. So I am going to use this and spray it all over my hair, give it all the love that it needs. And then when I'm done, I am going to show you what else I am going to be doing. So this is well mixed and this is at room temperature. And I am going to start by spraying my hair. I am using aloe vera mix because I feel like the aloe vera has been working very well for my hair and it is very moisturizing. But if there's anything else that you feel like moisturizes your hair very well, you can use that as well, okay? But this is what I feel like works pretty well for my hair, so that's what I am using. And the other thing as well, you want to make sure that you are lifting up the different sections of your hair. Make sure that you are getting the mixture all over and not just at the top of your hair. So that's another thing that you want to make sure that you do. And this is something that I do every 2 to 3 days. Sometimes I may go a little bit longer, but I don't go more than 4 days without re-moisturizing my hair, because the whole purpose of doing the mini twist, which is a protective style, is to protect your hair. And if your hair is lacking moisture, guess what? It's not being protected. So you really want to get in there and make sure that you are giving all the love possible to every single strand of hair, including your scalp. And right now I am just massaging this everywhere. I am making sure that every strand of hair, every twist is well saturated with the mixture. And I can feel here that I am missing some more. So I am going to spray some more. And don't forget your edges as well, okay? Okay, so I feel that my hair is well saturated right now. I do feel like it has taken in that moisture that I tried to infuse in there. So the next thing I am going to be doing is putting some oil on my hair. I usually go and do a little scalp massage as well. Put it directly on my scalp. And I do this all over my hair. Also do the edges. Always do the edges. And once I'm done, I just use the paddles of my fingers and I just massage it all over my hair. It feels so good right now. And I do that for a few minutes. Yes. If you don't do scalp massages, you should definitely add that to your routine. Even if you do it just once a week, you should definitely do that. Okay, so the other thing that I do after I'm done massaging the oils onto my scalp, I still have it on my fingers. So what I do is just run it through my hair. And this is kind of like me sealing in the moisture that I already put in there. And you can just go back to your mixture and add some to the palms of your hands. Rub it in. You don't need a whole lot. And just seal in that moisture. Doing that is what's going to allow the moisture to just stick to your hair for the next couple of few days until you decide to go back and redo the same process over. This is what my hair looks like after I took the time to moisturize it. It looks like it does have life added back to it and it's not super dry, and I can actually feel the moisture in my hair. So you definitely want to take care of your hair while they are in mini twists or any protective styles for that matter, because the whole purpose of doing that is to protect your hair. And if you don't keep that moisture in your hair is not protected, sis, and you are totally wasting your time. So make sure you keep your mini twist moisturize, okay? Okay guys, so those are the different ways that I keep my hair moisturized when I have them in my mini twist or any other protective styles. There are other ways that you can do it as well, but for me, those are the easiest ways. I can go ahead and just, you know, do that aloe vera mixture or do that curl hydration spray and just call it a day. So if you have any other ways that you keep your mini twist moisturized, please share them with me down below. Share them with everybody. The next video will probably be how I take down the mini twist so you can minimize the amount of shedding and also the amount of breakage. So stay tuned for that. If you are not yet subscribed, please do so you don't miss out on that upload or any future uploads. Hit that subscribe button below and make sure you ring the bell right next to it so you can be notified of every single upload. If you would like to catch more tutorials, more videos from me, I do have a whole lot on the channel already and I will place them for you on the screen, so be sure you check those out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in the next one.